Yo, Casanal, you a lame, homie.
Don't take off running when I seen you in
Duke Dennis at Target last night.
y'all some bu-
Oh no.
Let me
Oh,
go.
give me something, bro.
Stay up there, stay up there. You're chilling, you're chilling, you're
I
chilling.
know there's 2 bombers though.
Now hold on, I'm cooking. Let me cook. Jesse. 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 We need to cook, Jesse. I cooked so hard, dude.
What was that?
Double, oh, you talking about my mess around got a triple double? Word.
I'm talking about
I
the
got a little scared too.
Really nigga, really nigga.
Beam rifle blows.
I know. That's why I told you not to pick it up. It's so bad against Flood. It's so bad.
Oh my god.
Owie!
Yep. Alright, it's not bad. I didn't get a kill. Oh, I got a double kill from assists.
Nice. A lot of grenades. Unfortunate.
I'm out of just about everything. Highly unfortunate.
No, it's
I'm jumping his ass. I jumped him.
Why'd I drop down with you?
Ow, bro. Let me melee this dude. Wait,
My bad. Kill.
should we go back up?
Yeah. What you mean, should we go back up? You trying to get jumped down here?
No.
This is boss round 2.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, but then we make the set
Is there ammo
4.
down here?
Only for the
Yes. I
regular gun.
SMG, that's fucking fine. Get rid of that energy sword. Oh, I'm almost dead now.
Oh!
He had a rocket launcher. It was a good thing I just shot.
Ranged forms. We're good. Hold on, there's a it's a brute shot. Where's that ranged form? I see him.
Ow, ow.
Took out one of the ranged forms. Brute shot didn't have enough ammo, unfortunately. Oh my god, there's so many of them down there. Oh, ranged form's coming up on the thingamabobber. Never mind, that is a corpse.
I'm holding the pixel peak.
Shut up.
Dude, I actually am. You'd be so mad right now.
Dude, these
Ow.
Flood are absolutely seething and
I
molding.
have 1 health. Please tell me there's a med kit somewhere on this map.
There's a med kit all the way back at spawn. Hold on, I'm trying to get rid of these range forms. I'll go with you.
Is there anywhere to go down the air we came up? No.
No way that ranged form isn't dead. One of them has, I think, a brute shot or a rocket launcher.
Yeah, no, he has a brute shot. It's very painful. I'm going for the bruh.
Oh my god, bro! I told you
I
to
got
wait,
sniped by a
bro.
Oh my god,
2
dude.
enemies remaining. Last enemy.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
I was getting jumped, bro. You have no idea.
need me one of them fancy med kits.
It's just range guys left.
I think so.
Oh, did you grab the rocket launcher to deal with them?
There is no rocket launcher.
Oh. Gotcha.
Hold on. I found the key to our prayers.
What you find?
Lives
You
added.
about to see?
Oh,
Did he kill himself? He killed himself.
He did.
He fucking killed himself.
What'd
Are you kidding
find?
me? I found a
What did you
laser.
find? Oh,
On. Bonus round.
I'm hiding. I'm
Bonus
hiding.
round?
I'm hiding.
I'm grabbing this gravity hammer and I'm out, bruh. Points. Yeah, but they gotta come to us. Oh my, that is a rocket launcher, boy. I'm trying to get us there. Oh!
Ah!
God.
I'm punching the forerunner thing to death. This is a bad idea.
You got that, bro.
I believe.
Get him! Get him! That one had a laser on him?
Bonus
Yes,
round
it's
over.
really cheap. What? No, I like backwards.
Oh, we didn't get it.
Better luck next time.
Bruh.
Lives added.
What skulls we got, bro?
Nothing.
We're still
It's
in set
reset.
3?
No. That's the end of set 3. We're on set 4 now.
Oh. It just hasn't loaded
This
set 4
is
yet.
where the
So now this is when we die.
Yeah, this is where like the difficulty spike hits and we get raped.
You get like
Set
17
start.
elite.
Oh my
Mythic.
god.
With Black Guy and Mythic.
Mythic.
Black Guy and Mythic.
Oh my,
Nah,
it's
dude, it's
Jover.
super.
It is
It's so Jover.
Jover.
Nah, you got it. I believe.
I don't.
I'm lighting him up and he finally died.
That means that even like if you stick them with a nade, it's going to do nothing.
Dude, I'm lighting them up and they're not dying. James, it's Jover, bro.
Yeah, it's Jover here.
Dude, James, I've been shooting him for 30 seconds and it just killed him.
We might run out of ammo before we can
Right.
kill anything. Big boy
Dude, I'm
infection
like,
form.
dude, the elite ones do not die. The elite ones just don't.
Got me a handful already.
Almost. I mean, currently running out.
I'm talking about Braid. I'm not watching you because you're not streaming. I can't tell what you got going on.
Dude, that's an elite one. There's no way of killing him. I do 50 bullets doesn't kill.
You got 3 left after that, Braden. You're done. You got no ammo. You're out.
Oh!
Yeah,
Thanks for the ammo.
Oh!
Yeah, switch rocket launcher. That's how you died. I figured it out. No, I'm going for it, James. Oh, that's out of ammo too.
Going for what, dog? You are on a suicide mission coming down here. Hold on, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. I got a rocket launcher. Get out of there.
Oh, I like backwards. I like backwards so hard.
I almost fucked you up.
Reinforcement.
I think we gotta stay down here.
I'm taking a
Honestly.
med kit. I'm taking a med kit. I don't care.
Yeah, we gotta stay down here. I'm gonna be honest. If we stay up there, we're gonna die.
Detach a turret.
No. Even that doesn't work.
Oh my!
Oh, hard in the face.
These ones we're done for. It's over, dude.
Oh my god! Where'd you come from?
Oh, look at
Nice. No! Right, we gotta stop him.
I had him. You threw players right.
You gotta stop him. My Nate, I got the points, bro. You ain't got shit.
Yeah, that's because you threw the nade at him.
I threw the nade before he jumped over there and he walked in front of me.
Oh, I'm so dead here. Bro, I'm melee. Why is my stamina not coming back?
Bro. Dude, die, bro.
Like his voice on Discord starts going nuts. His fucking stream just lags like fuck.
Full rocket launcher. Ah!
Reinforcements.
No, we don't need none of that. I'm going back upstairs. Fuck.
Are we making it to set 5? Are we making it to set 5?
Dude, we're not even past round 1, dog.
Nah, dude, bro, don't worry. We make it to set 6. We make it to set 6.
Yo, there was a
Really,
sniper
really?
there on the ground.
That does nothing.
Oh, it's not good.
No, it does
Against the
nothing
flood,
against
no.
the flood.
Hey, Braden,
Yeah.
when you play Helldivers again,
I just watched a range form jump off. Look at him down there. He just jumped off. He just killed himself.
I'm getting this range form.
Killing
Oh, I made a mistake! James, I made a mistake!
Did you? Why'd you jump down there, bro? I cannot
I was
help you
getting the
out
range form. This door doesn't open!
Better than nothing for real. Fuck, can't see shit.
Yeah, I can't see shit on there either. Turn on night vision.
Reinforcements.
Oh, nah, I really can't see.
It's hard to tell. You might want to test it again.
Wild sniper damage right there.
Oh, I think I get jumped here. Oh, I'm getting jumped so hard here.
Oh, I didn't mean to waste that med kit.
Doesn't that fucking shoot a bigger round than a 50 BMG?
What, the sniper? Yeah.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
He glitching. He's
Dude, what is he?
Oh, oh. I'm gonna grab a med kit, bro. I'm grabbing one.
Oh my
You
god.
think with a bigger round than a 50 BMG, you'd be able to just tear a hole?
No, not the flood, not the flood.
Oh my god, there's 2 bombers right here.
Oh, this last bullet did some.
That's the first show you got for all, bro.
Dude, it don't die!
Why am I getting a phone call right now? Let's go, I'm about to get some Mickey D's.
Damn, you're fucking hungry too.
There you go.
I was parched
Once we
too, I
lose,
was
I'm
saying
going
it.
to Oh!
Once we
Get that shamrock
lose.
shake.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Nah, I want to spray. I
That's pretty good.
Needs, bro!
Can you see my health?
Yeah, you kind of need a med kit. I was about to point that out. You're gonna die from fall damage.
My
Damn, I can only play for a few more hours too.
Oh yeah, because you got work or class tomorrow.
Yeah, and I gotta study.
Oh my. Huh.
Reinforcements.
No,
So much for that
no.
med kit I just picked up. Oh my god, they're so accurate too. Oh! Give me your brute shot.
You're doing shit, James.
And look at this! Dude!
Oh fucking shit. The melee did more damage than that.
Holy shit! Oh, he turned on my ass!
What the?
Ow.
No! Mates! 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 There's another one! I'm not, dude.
Give
I don't know what to do.
Oh my god.
I'm going for the melee to get stamina back. It was not worth it.
Give me your attention. Over here.
You want the attention?
James, he ate all of my ammo.
He's about to do the same to me.
Oh my god, I'm getting dropped from on a butt. I'm dead.
No lives left.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Dude, that thing's really good.
The Mauler, yeah.
I'm peeking. Swinging. First shot. He fucked me up.
Get a shot. Give me that shit.
Oh my god, this range
Get
fucker.
it.
Kill launcher.
Yeah.
5 enemies remaining.
Okay, music.
Oh my god, there's 2 on me.
2 enemies remaining.
Oh, it's on him. He's got a bruise shot. I got him.
5 added.
Oh my gosh, dog.
I'm going to the top, dude. I'm staying up top.
I almost have 200,000 points. Bruh. Little peck in the air.
Mythic.
And in black eye do shout.
my god.
Low enemy ammo drops. Did you see that part, James?
Stop calling me a sinner. I'm a man of God.
Who the fuck is who's calling you a sinner?
Go! sink those? I missed. He took cover over the grenade.
Reinforcements.
Why's he staring at me? Why are you giving me a stare now? Oh my god, oh my god.
Maybe infect the dead body.
Yeah, they can even infect each, like, our dead bodies. Oh, no, dude.
Hide.
I know. Dog, oh my god. Oh my god.
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
Let them kill the flood.
They kill us a lot quicker than they kill the flood.
Oh, wow! Oh, we're gonna see how much a sniper bullet does.
Not enough.
Oh, fuck.
Gotta get that pixel peak on. Oh, actually, no, that's down pretty quick.
Also, I love how the Halo sniper is accurate when you're not scoped in, like how a real weapon would be.
Yeah.
It's not like Call of Duty where it's like if you're not scoped in, the bullet just like sinks into the ground.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god, I need a health pack. Health pack. I went to melee and it took me off the map.
No scope.
James, you could also use a health pack.
Oh! A little bit.
But it was good to know that you knew.
1 life left.
1 life left. I don't think we're making it past this round. Gotta get my Mauler and Sniper back. Oh, fuck.
Bro.
Dog, what? Oh my god. My Mauler and Sniper. Gimme! No, dude. Oh yeah, it's Jover. I don't think we beat him.
Oh my god.
No lives left.
Yeah, I don't think we beat him. Honestly, I honestly don't think we're gonna be able to beat him.
Last
Oh,
man
that's-
Oh
standing.
boy.
I had 4 of them on me, bro.
Only the strongest will survive. What if I just...
I don't think you hit a single one with the grenade.
No.
The shields, dude. Oh boy. This is it. This is the end. This is hope. This is the end. This is where it ends. Oh my god!
Oh, man.
You just those came from the depths of hell to kill you.
They were waiting.
I can't even drop down to get a medkit. They'll just kill me. I can't even go get my Sniper and Mauler back.
Aren't there med kits out there on the wall by the turrets?
They're probably all used.
You got another option?
Hey man, we were here for 2 hours. It was a good run. We had a good
Oh
run.
my god, has it actually been 2 hours? It was a good run. I didn't even make it to 200,000. No!
It was
Come
There
on!
was a med kit there.
I get those goosebumps every time I need a hand.